Now we will study the roots of federation. The exact balance of power between the central and the state government varies from one federation to another. The balance depends mainly on the historical context in which federations are formed. Here you can see in the image the two types of federations, that is coming together and holding together federations. What is coming together? Just see in the image the arrow moving in which direction. Coming together is that federation in which independent states come together on their own to form a bigger unit. As you can see in the image of the coming together federation, where you can find that different states, they all are coming together on their own to form a bigger unit, so that by pooling sovereignty and retaining identity, they can increase their security. This is called coming together federation. What do you understand by the term sovereign? We have already discussed in class 9. Sovereign means supreme power or authority. The states did not want any kind of interference from any outside sources or bodies. They want to make their country more and more powerful, and to secure their country, these independent states, they came together to form a bigger unit. But in this type of federation, all states have equal powers because they all themselves came together to form a bigger unit. For example, USA and Switzerland. Just look at the another form of federations, that is holding together federation. What is holding together federation? When you will see in the image, you will find the arrows moving upwards. Here, a large country decides to divide its power between the states and the national government. Means a country itself, for the smooth functioning of the country, decides to divide its power between the constituent states and the national government. This is called holding together federation. In this type of federation, the central government tends to be more powerful than the states. Not only this, there are some units which have unequal powers. Even some units are granted special powers. The example of this type of federation is India, Belgium, Spain, and etc. You have already studied about Belgium, where we have seen how they decided to share their power with different constituent units. So this is all about two types of federations, that is coming together and holding together. Thank you, children.